For letter P, this is another one of those where we can go light, heavy, or we can do heavy, light. Just personal preference, really. And then for this, we'll go light, heavy, light. You could make that perfectly round. I opt not to, just to give it a little more character. For the lowercase, I did go perfectly round. So I do on this downstroke where it's just a little bit of light right into heavy pressure to get that detail. And then light, heavy, light, and let it make an ellipse. And for the slanted, we're gonna come around with light to heavy pressure for our first stroke. And then this one, pretty much the same thing, but I went a little more rounded, but not a perfect ellipse. So light, heavy, light, and then again, that light into heavy pressure kind of quickly. And then second stroke, light, heavy, and then stay light around for that swoop.